Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts today. In front of me on the table we have an LG unit model OLED65A1PUA. We are going to be going over some of the things that you can try if you are not getting functionality from your HDMI ports. So first thing that we want to do is actually isolate that the ports themselves are the issue. We would go through and swap out the HDMI cable, make sure that any component that you have plugged into it is operating correctly, be that a computer or a Blu-ray player, a video game system. Make sure that those are set up and ready to be giving signal to your television. If you have eliminated these as the issue and you feel like you need to do a board swap, we would suggest trying the main board. We're going to have a short video here highlighting exactly how to get that main board out of your unit. For the main board, the first step is going to get all of the plugs and clips away from the main board itself. We're going to start with this guy right here. You want to pinch down on the right and left side on those two little clips. Depress them both. Slowly walk it out and away from the board. This one right here, we're going to pop it up with our fingernail. We're going to do this guy too. And then what we want to do is slowly walk these ribbon cables out and away from the main board. They are pretty delicate. We do want to be careful with those, that we don't cause any damage to those ribbon cable connections. This guy is going to be the same style as this one. We're just going to want to punch down on the two sides, slowly walk it out away from the main board. The next step is going to be to get all of the screws holding the board into the chassis out of the main board so that we can free that here. And after the screws come out, we should just be able to lift this main board up and away. If you have gone through these steps and you're still not getting functionality to your HDMI, we are going to have a link down below to a subreddit that you can go to ask us any more questions. That's going to do it for today's video. Don't forget to leave us a comment down below, like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook.